Take it easy. Now, what's wrong with you now?
Where have you been since morning? Where have you been since morning?
But you know I went to work now. What's the meaning of all this?
Good work. You lie too much.
Did anybody offend you? Why are you always nagging?
You don't always accept your guilt. That is why I dislike you. I don't even know the reason why I regret it. I regret ever marrying you. I don't know. You cheat so much. You are so dirty. What time is it? What time is it right now? Look at your time. Check your time. It's 9:36.
9:36. You know that I normally close from work around 7:30.
7:30.
And before I'll get home, I'll drive home. It will be up to like 1 hour
I have
plus.
driven to your working place just to check if your car was sent there exactly 7. I have been following you up there. I have been following you up. Don't you even dare lie to me. You are a cheat. You are dirty. You are filthy. You are disgusting.
I am dirty.
I am telling you the truth. I am telling you, don't even start that. Don't even try to be innocent. I am dirty. You are not innocent.
Must you always make problem? Every time.
Hey! Are you trying to call me now a troublemaker or what? Are you trying to call me a troublemaker?
Please calm down. Please calm down. I'm just coming from work now, please.
Just coming from work.
Please, my dear.
And then your mouth is even smelling alcohol. I checked your phone. My people, this very, very video now, you must share. My husband is filthy. He is dirty. He is a liar. He is a cheat. He drinks too much. He does not help me at home. Everything that is bad about husband, this man we are looking at too. And then at the end of the day, you see him explaining. What did I do? I went to work. Is it the only one that is working? Are you the only one that is working? Every now and then my husband is calling me nagging. Why wouldn't I nag when he does not give me attention? I literally went to control where he was coming from, where he works. I realized that since 7 o'clock, the car wasn't parked there. The car has left, so I don't know. Maybe the car was there and he left as a spirit. He's a spirit. Huh? You are a spirit. You don't even have any say. You don't have any say in this house. You don't have any say.
I don't have any say in my own house.
No, you don't have any say because you have already sold your pride. He has thrown away his pride. Every time my husband is calling me a nagging woman, why wouldn't I nag? Why wouldn't I nag? Eh? Why wouldn't I nag? When I'm the only one doing everything at home, and then immediately he finish work, he will go to one African shop I know. Richie Venture is a super duper African shop that I know where I buy my things. My husband will go there and sit. My husband gossip for Africa. You gossip for, hey, don't even dare look at me like that, like as if you are innocent. Look at you. He's cheating, oh. He has more than 15 girls' numbers on his phone. Go and check his Facebook. He have only girls. Sometimes he go write them. Hi, how you doing? Why would my husband be telling another woman, hi, how are you doing? If not because they have something going on together.
So I cannot, because I'm married now, I don't have the right to associate myself with other people.
Hey, shut up your mouth. Shut the hell out of your mouth. Shut your mouth up. You fool.
You always insult me. What is the problem? What is wrong with you?
I always insult you. I haven't even started. I haven't started. You deserve. In fact, I am looking for another word in the dictionary that I can use for you. Because you are not worth it. You are a useless man. You are a stupid man. You are idiot. You are a fool. I'm telling you, you are a fool. I'm telling you. I'm telling you. I'm telling you. Oh, Loshi. You see this man? I haven't started with him yet. He called me nag. He said I am a nagging wife. This video must be shared. He look at me. Look at me. Oh, I suffer. No wonder my mother and my father told me never to marry you. Even my friends, now I'm ashamed. They told me that your character is like this. They told me that you are good for nothing.
Please.
They told me you are a thief.
Please.
They told me you are a fool. They told me you are...
Please.
You have nothing to say.
Please, can you calm down?
Calm
Please,
down.
Calm down.
Calm down. Make I calm down, Abi.
You are behaving like someone that has lost her nuts.
Make I calm down, Abi, because I never start. Because I never start. Eh? All the money you say you are making, you are bringing it to your country. You are spending it on your mother.
Take your hands off my clothes. Take your
Today
hands.
you are going to tell me if it is your mother you are marrying or me. You have to make a decision right now. If not me, you won't stay with, or that your so-called sister, stupid man that is not a man, baby, mama's boy. My husband is a mama's boy. My husband, now mama is the respect passing wife. Today, in your presence, this man got to make his own decision. If na him mama he go marry, or na me. Because when you see him talking to him mama, hello, mommy, good evening, ma. Why would he be telling the mama good evening, ma? Why would he be telling him if you see the way you humble the mother? My husband respects his mother much more than he respects me. The mother will send him a message on an errand. He's running, oh. But if I send him to go to Bila and just buy me any small thing, he will tell me, baby, I am tired.
But you know I
coming
do.
from
Why are
work."
you lying? You know I do.
Okay, only just that one time.
You know I don't flex.
See the way my husband is behaving like an innocent man. All because now I have brought you out. You know that I have brought you out. I thought today I must bring him out. He is a bad wife, husband.
My people, please, just take a look at me. I'm just coming from work now.
Yeah.
My wife has started again. All the time. She's always nagging. There's nothing I do. What kind of a wife are you, my dear?
What?
We need peace at home.
You just called me a name, oh. Hey, my husband just called me a name. He just called me another name. He said, what kind of a wife am I? So, you are not trying to call... My husband just called me idiot. By telling me what kind of a wife I am, my husband has given me another bad name. He's not calling me a bad wife. That means idiot. That means a fool. That means everything. You just give me another name, oh. Mind yourself, oh. Mind yourself, oh. Mind yourself. You see me so, eh? Oh, I don't really calm down. I don't calm down. I don't calm down. Oh God, help me to calm down, because otherwise I won't break somebody's head. I won't break your head. Come on, sit there. Sit there. You just give me name. My husband just gave me another name.
My people, you guys are here to bear me witness. What have I done that is wrong? What have I done? Oh God. Please. All this thing that is happening now, you guys should bear me witness. Because I'm trying to allow peace to reign in my home. I don't want problem. I need peace at home.
Pretender. My husband can pretend for Africa. Mona bear me witness. Mona bear me witness. Mona bear me witness. My husband just called me nagging wife. As beautiful as I am. As sexy as I am. He just called me nagging wife. Like, seriously, did he just say that in front of my own people? You made me feel like as if I'm a bad woman. You, when I finish dealing with you, you will regret ever marrying me.
Hey.
When I finish dealing with you, you will regret ever marrying me. Your boxers was here on the ground. The clothes I asked you to put on the washing machine, you did not. You
But you know I was in the haze this morning.
You were
I was
in the
rushing
haze.
to go to work now.
Hey, you were rushing. You were rushing. You could not rush and take care of what I asked you to do. You could not rush and take care of what I asked you to do because I'm not important. But if it was to be your mother, you will run etasketa and make sure you do it. You see, this breast I carry, since we got married, you've been sucking this breast. And your mother breast, only 1 year, my husband sucked the mother breast. So. But this breast, since over 10 years we have been together, my husband has been sucking it. Now my breast is a suck. And now my own request, now you know the grounds. In mama will be say, the breast self, you don't fall. Nothing makes sense again for that breast. Now that one is the run for. I am going to teach him a lesson. Because he has to know that I'm an Ibanke babe. You have to know. You cheat. Where are those your girlfriends? Call them, come make I challenge them. Even 15 women, I can fight them. I can fight 15 women.
It's okay, my love.
It's okay, my feet. Why are you telling me it's okay? Can you imagine my husband is telling me it's okay?
Hey.
My husband is not calling me it's okay. It's okay like as if I am mad. That is another name. When my husband just told me that it's okay, that means I am mad. So you are calming me down. You are calming me down, say it's okay.
Let me get you a glass of water. Very cold one, please.
If you don't shut this your mouth, I will shut it for you. If you don't shut, in fact, this your glasses, I go throw them. After all, without glasses, you know they see. I don't even know you were even blind. He's not only filthy, he's also blind. Look at his glasses. He can't see without glasses. You are coming back, 9:30. Take your cheap glasses. Cheap man, 50 man, 30 man. When was the last time you helped me inside the house? When was the last time you helped me? I go work. 9:36, you came back home. I've been waiting for you outside. I have gotten myself ready.
My people, I'm so speechless. I closed from work around 7 o'clock. I was supposed to be at home before in less than like 30 minutes. But I know that my wife is always nagging. Anytime I come from work, she's always giving me stress. I've gotten a hectic day today already. What kind of a life is this? What kind of woman have I gotten myself involved with?
So
is it wrong for a man to be...
Did you guys just hear that? My husband is now regretting ever marrying me. He said, what kind of a woman have I gotten myself? He's now regretting marrying a beautiful woman like me. A fruitful woman like me. A sweet woman like me. A sexy woman like me. He's just regret. Did you just hear my whole... Did you just hear yourself? Did you just hear what you just said now, I have never started nagging, no. Oh God, oh my God, the second share this video, guys. Share it. Come and see how filthy, how disgusting, how dirty. Cheeto, it in hand. Drinking, see in mouth, they smell alcohol. Tell me, swear say you never drink a bottle of alcohol today. Tell me you didn't go to Richie Venture. The most beautiful and handsome and any time when you go to Richie Venture shop, you must see everything what you want. Tell me, say, you not go Richie Venture now. Go drink that small stuff where they know they see for this ulcer. Swear. You not see, huh? My husband off his swear. My husband off his swear. You not see, huh?
Hey.
My husband cannot take a normal hold to only my finger. I say make it swear. You not agree swear. Now be say you must have slept with her. You must have slept with her. The girl you went to Richie shop just now, you must have slept with her.
Girl?
Yeah, let me smell it. I know how your junior smells. I know. Let me smell. If my husband is denying that he didn't take any woman out and he didn't sleep with any side chick today, make I smell that thing because I know how I tell live on. I know when he was going to work, how that thing they smell. Make he let me smell him. Mona help me tell him, make I smell him. Open and make I smell him. Mona help me tell him. He said, please, what is the cause of this argument? Hey. My husband said he regretted ever marrying me. But that is not the cause. Oh. My husband always called me a nagging woman. But that is not the issue. Oh. The main issue, the reason why I nag, my husband is dirty. My husband is filthy. My husband is disgusting. My husband does not help me at home. My husband loves the mother more than he loves me. And my breast, now he suck. But whenever a mama call him, yes ma, yes ma, my husband cannot even respect me. Ask me question, why? Why he cannot respect me? He call me nag. Why wouldn't I nag? You don't have a say? Who are you? Your mates are buying their wives Range Rover Jeep. I don't even have a bicycle. I saw one of my girlfriends that is having human hair from Brazil. Oh. Original hair, Brazil. Which one do you buy for me? Nothing. You are bringing money back to Nigeria, isn't it? You are giving to your family. Today, you will tell me who you love more. Now me you love, or now your sister you love.
Must you fight me all the time?
I go fight you. I go fight you, you must tell me.
Yeah, please, love. Please, it's okay. Please.
Please leave me alone. Which kind is okay? I know when it's okay. I need 2 hours to quarrel with you because you deserve it. I need 3 hours to fight him. I have to fight this man. You know, there are some men, they don't know their right from their left. At the end of the day, you have to treat them the way they deserve it. You have to teach them how to treat. Because, you know, if I am keeping him quiet and being loving, he will continue cheating. He will continue doing all the nasty things that he usually do. But me, oh, I know how to handle you. I know how to handle you, my dear. I know it.
My people, as you can see, beauty without character is zero. As they will always say, charity begins at home.
Hey, you are not insulting my mother. He just insulted my mother, oh. Hey, this man just insulted my mother. You just insulted my mother. You say charity begins. He just insulted my mother. He just insulted my mother and he said that me, I don't have character. Did you just call me that name?
You were not properly brought up.
Oh, God. Ay, where is my bottle? Make I break am for your head. You don't know say I be Benin babe. You don't know say I be Edo babe. Now Edo babe I be you. I go break your head.
My own head?
I go break your head. Not try me. Don't try me. If care is not taken, if you open your mouth again, I go break your head. Hey, I be Edo babe. You don't know. Looking like innocent. See you. See your trouser. See your shoes. I am a man. I am a man. I go to work. Walk my feet. You will never call your mother again, no. You will never call your sisters and all your relatives. You will never call them again in this house. And those girls, one day I go catch them. If I catch them, I go pour pepper for somewhere. Now they hear me. I am a good woman. I am a good woman. I cook for my husband. We are living in 2 rooms apartment. I clean the 2-bedroom apartment. Sometimes it takes me 3 days to clean 2-bedroom apartments. I wash his boxers. I wash his clothes. Oh. He go remove them because he don't know how difficult it is to wash clothes. My husband will just remove them. You leave them for granted. You just now leg it take the remove. Now leg it take the remove in pints. 9:30. Today is Saturday. Why should a married man be outside today, Saturday? When he's supposed to be with me? More.
But you know I went to work.
Now work you this is funny. Which kind of stupid work? Who are you giving that money to? Apart from he pay rent. How much is rent? He pay for electricity bill. How much is electricity bill? Is that the reason why he cannot respect me as his wife? Is that the reason why he called me nag? Is that the reason why he even told you guys just now? He said my mother is bad. He said it to you. said it to you. He said charity begins at home. That means my mother is a bad mother. That is what he's trying to say. I know how to read meaning to whatever my husband says. I have the engine to translate everything. And I smell, even from the door, I smell, say, this thing when he carry for under, his third leg, say they smell another woman, Bekus. They smell, oh. They smell. You don't think I know how to smell it? I smell her. Oh, bagadagadagadagada. Oh, you don't see me finish. You don't see me finish. Tell me, how did it go? Was it sweet?
What?
Was it more delicious? Was it tantalizing more than my own? Eh? That woman when you do tonight, could it be the woman you were chatting on Facebook? I went to your phone. I sneaked into your phone. And I was watching all those girls where you, hi, how are you? How are you doing? You are beautiful. You are sweet.
Please, bring out the chat.
Me, bring out the chat. Am I your personal assistant? He said I should bring out the chat. Do I look like my husband's personal assistant? Do I look like his ass girl? He said, make I take the phone, make I bring out the chat when he chat with that girl that day. He don't deny her for na present too. Now, so my husband, they make me look like, say, I am a bad woman.
Is it wrong to love a woman?
Yeah.
I'm asking. She's lucky to have a man like me that do tolerate, that don't talk much. I don't beat her, I don't insult her, I don't abuse her. But she keeps giving me problem all the time. My love.
Which
please,
love?
We need
Which
peace
love?
in this house. Please.
If you call me that name again, if you call me your love again, pretending love. You think I don't know that you don't love me?
But you know I love you so much.
You think I don't know, now by mouth. You think I don't know that you don't love me?
Please, my dear.
Hey, don't even try it. Don't even touch me. You see this my body, so when God build, don't even try to touch it. Okay? Enough is enough for the wise. Don't even try to touch this sassy hashi. Sassy hashi. When I get, make you not even try it to touch me. Eh? He said, Neka, take him easy. This man, no get problem. Hey, you know, see her.
God bless you, my brother.
You know, see her.
God bless you.
My husband is pretending. You see these kind of people? There are many different kind of men. Because he knows you guys are here. What did I do? I don't love her. How can he love me? Does he love me? You don't even know the meaning of love. You don't even know the meaning of love. If my husband loved me, why does he always call the mother? Who is his mother? You should have seen where he chat with his sister. My sister. You go see him. You go just they move body. Sometimes I will go and wonder, say, which kind of relationship these two people get? Eh? When he has a woman, a beautiful woman like me, is my husband supposed to even be calling the sister at all? I know say they get planned. I know say they are planning against me.
You ask them that question.
I know my husband
You
and the mother and the sister are planning against me.
Ask the audience this question now.
Eh.
So getting married to you now will stop me from relating with my family?
So, if I say you should stop contact with your family or minimize the contact you have with your family, so you are not supposed to do it.
You are not even saying,
you love me.
You are not even saying minimize. You say stop.
Stop. Stop. Before I told you minimize it. Now I'm saying stop talking to your mother. Who is she? Not be only one time she just push. The baby can't come out. What did she do? What did she do? Now you they dig everywhere. Since when I know my husband. Now so they dig. They say they sew breast. He just turned my breast to his company where he for they produce milk. That's how he turned out to. He go the chopper. If you see where my husband go hold two breasts like this, sometimes I go the one that say, "Oh Jesus, I hope this man not go bite him out one day." Then now me they give you all. Now me they give out to you as you want. You still have the audacity to be calling your sisters and your mother.
I just feel sorry for myself.
He called me jealous. Am I not supposed to be jealous?
You are 27. Look at your face.
Yeah.
Because of trouble. Look at wrinkle all over your face.
And so? Not be you
because
cause
of trouble.
Not be you cause am. Is that not you not the fault? Are you not the reason why my face is the way it is? Are you a good man? Shame on you. Shame on you. Ooh. Ooh. Shame on you. Shame on you. Woo. Look at you. Stupid man. Ole buruku omo jati oloshi. It is not sabi Yoruba. Ole buruku omo jati oloshi. Now this man be. Now he be. Eh? Now he be. Share out this video. Make them go see the kind of stupid man he call me knack. How can he talk to me anyhow? How dare you talk to me anyhow? It's a decision for you to make. It's a decision for you to make. See, this bedroom, we are not sleeping together. You are going to sleep on the sofa. You sleep on the ground.
Today is not the first time.
Eh?
Today is not the first time.
Then
If
you
that
should
will
be
make
used to
peace to reign, then good and fine. Then
Yes.
I'll go upstairs and sleep.
Yeah, go and sleep upstairs.
If that will make you happy.
Go and sleep upstairs. Who is going to sleep with you after you finish sleeping with that girl today? You want to tell me you didn't sleep with that girl today? See you. You see you. You see you cheat. Cheating husband. Cheating husband. Let them come now. Let them come inside this house. I go show them pepper. They go know say na me. Na me be Jessica. The Jessica one of Graz. I am a queen. I am coming from a royal home. They should know. You can't just play with me. Idiot. Now they hear him. Eh? Now they hear him. My husband. Now they hear my husband, Abi. Now they hear him. He is always insulting me.
Insulting you?
Yes, you did today. You said I don't have character. You even went ahead and insulted my mother. You said charity begins at home. What does that supposed to mean? You said that means my mother didn't train me well. Because my mother was at home. Isn't it? He said charity begins at home. My mother was at home. So that means he insulted my mother. What was that supposed to mean? I am very calculative. I'm very intelligent. He cannot just talk to me anyhow. Whatever you say, I will use it against you. In the court of law. Idiot. Tomorrow, people like you now, they will become a single father. Or because you can't even take care of your wife.
Huh?
Dirty man.
My love, please.
Don't touch me. Remove that your filthy hand out of me. Next time, try it again. You will see what I'm going to do to you. Try it again.
Try what?
Try come back home late. Exactly as you come finish from work, you are supposed to be running 130 steps to make sure you get back here.
When I know running home to come and meet problem,
Which problem?
you are the problem.
So you call me problem?
always causing-
My husband just called me problem. Ew. My husband in your presence just called me problem. He just called me problem, oh. He just called me problem. My husband just called me problem. Oh, you insulted me. Too much of insult.
You are taking things too personal. You are taking it too personal.
You're giving today, oh. My husband called me problem, oh. You're giving today.
I said
You cannot change it again. He wanted to change it. My husband just called me problem. You called me. You said my name is problem. My husband just called me problem. He said my name is problem. Did you just hear him? Okay, wait till you do this woman self. I beg you, they worsen the matter. Yes, you see, he called me problem. He called me problem. You give me Did you just call me problem?
My people.
Did you just call me problem?
My people. I'm weak. I'm tired.
You are tired.
There is nothing you do that you can satisfy a nagging wife. A nagging wife is a nagging wife. No matter.
What did you just say?
But you are nagging
Oh!
now. I have to say the truth. I'm so gentle. I'm so calm.
Okay, because you are calm now. You are not trying to say waiting. Say, I am a troublemaker. Did you just hear him? Again, he called me troublemaker. He said he is gentle and calm. Opposite of gentle. Now be saying me, I be troublemaker. He don't call me another name again. No. My husband don't call. You see, huh? That is why we cannot last in this marriage. Because he's always calling me different names. My husband always literally call me names every day. He just called me now troublemaker. That is the name he just pronounced just now. He said he's gentle. Opposite of gentleness is what? I am waiting. Eh? Oh, he said in laugh, enter bathroom. Why you go and laugh, enter bathroom? This is a serious case and I need you guys to settle it. You guys were here when my husband just called me now troublemaker. Opposite of gentle. He said he is gentle. Opposite of being gentle is what? That means me, I'm the troublemaker here in the house. And he talks, whenever he's talking to the mother, he's applying too much respect. Like as if saying, "My mama breast is still a suck today." And whenever he pick his sister call, hey, oh, this my husband, eh? I ready for him today. I ready for you. Put music now. I don't see music playing. Put music there and let her play. I said you should put music before. I am not ready. In fact, he has nothing more to say. My husband has nothing more to say. Good evening, my brothers and sisters. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen.
Shift a little bit.
We bring you greetings from KO family. You know what we do? You know how we do it? My name is Meliab.
And I'm Meliab.
And we are called KO family. So we are always bringing you here a vital information as usual. Today is all about a nagging wife. I am sure you have seen how good I was with nagging. If you are a woman like this, that is why your husband is always beating you. If you are a woman that nags so much, pushing your chest on top of your husband like as if say you go feel beaten, if he give you slap, don't you ever complain because it's your fault. You go on your husband's phone, you are controlling it. Your husband went to work. Instead of you to serve him food first, in bed should be the actual moment to ask him, my love, how come you are so late? First and foremost, you are supposed to be rejoicing that he came back home safely. Home and abroad, anything could have happened on the run. You start to nag, you start to accuse him of something you did not know. You start to smell it. Your husband only communicated with his old friends, his school friends. How are you doing? You pick offense, you say he's cheating. Your husband left his joggers or boxers on the ground. Instead of you to pick it, is your responsibility as a woman. You are complaining that I wash, I clean, 2-room apartment is too much. Your husband called your the mother, that is your mother-in-law. You continue to like make him feel guilty of calling his own mother. Your husband is talking to the relatives anywhere. You are angry. You are looking at his face. You say the mimic is different to the way he approach you. What do you want? You cannot keep a man that way. You can't hold a man. You can't chain him. And every mother have a special space in every man or woman's hearts. You can never change it. More you are trying to change it, more you are causing. Okay? So beware of the words you use. I have as well insulted my husband so many times. And he was calm. He was trying to calm me down. But what did I do? I was doing like as if I was too intelligent. I was reading meaning to every word he said. It is not good, my brothers and sisters. My ladies, today we decided to bring you this message. Why? Because yesterday was men. I told men how to pamper our women. You have to make it work. You cannot be saying, I have been trying. You have not been trying very well. Be a very lovable wife. Be tolerant. For your husband to pay your bride price, marry you and put you inside their house, there must have been a very high value he must have placed in you. Even if he was to be cheating, there is another way you can handle a man ever to cheat. He can start that attitude. But there is another way you can make him to calm down. He comes back from the work. You know that this is not the usual time he comes back from work. You first of all welcome him, give him a kiss. Baby, you're too late today. What happened? He can lie to you that there was a traffic jam. Oh, okay. I have prepared something, or I have not been able to cook anything because me, myself, have been extremely busy. Let's eat pizza. Let's eat anything else, whatsoever. He will say okay or not. If he doesn't, if after finish eating, if you have to ask him, say, baby, go and take your shower. Go and take your shower.
Very important.
And then maybe he can go and take his shower. Maybe he can say, I don't want to take my shower. Let's go to bed. Baby, you work too hard. Just let me massage you a little bit. These are the small things that will always cause men never to cheat on you. Because he will always feel guilty whenever he's with his side chick. This guilty conscience will always want to kill him whenever he's with another because he knows how good his wife treats him. Do you know that there are many men who come to chop and they plug? It has all to do with you. They become chop. Most men comes into our life first and foremost at the initial time to do that thing. They won't just come do things. But due to the way you were doing things during the time of, the time you guys were dating, that made him change his mind and say, wow, this woman looks like or this girl looks like a wife material. That was the reason why he changed, because before he met you, he was dating another woman. He had dated a lot. But he now found something reasonable in you, something appreciative, something presentable, something loving, something kind, something tantalizing, something eatable, something amazing, something incredible. Many other names you can call it because it is beautiful. And then decided to settle down with you. Now he starts cheating because sometimes men cheating is in the, let's say, is in their blood. Even here in Europe, the Europeans, they cheat. The Europeans, do you know how many nightclubs we have? As much as that they have a police station, and as much as that they have hospital, the same way they have nightclub. Despite that, maybe, I don't know if they can really perform, but they just love to be around that kind of place. Men want freedom. Men literally want to be free. They want a space. Men cannot tolerate the noises of the children. Men cannot tolerate, in the house, sometimes some men, they just want to go out, meet up with their friends, and, they are good. But that is their attitude at the initial time. But when you are always loving, when you always go, like today now I went to buy strawberry and I bought ice cream, I already have idea what I'm going to prepare with that for my husband. Strawberry, you can get it for €2. Ice cream, you can get it also for something of €2. I have an idea very soon what I'm going to prepare for my husband. It's not too much, but I make Sisi Putan. Oh, baby, there is something I want to prepare now. It makes men fall in love and stay in love. Falling in love is one thing. Staying in love is another. Falling in love is because of your beauty. It's because you can perform in bed. Because you bought him those days when you were dating, you can go shopping, cook for him at home. You take care of those things usually. Then he fell in love. And now it is your duty to make him stay in love. Secondly, many men are like children. Like this, the attitude of my husband now is like the same attitude as Damien, that is 13 years, 15 years. Like I said yesterday, women are like your children as men. But equally, the same thing goes to us. We are more matured. We are blessed with wisdom. We are blessed with tolerance. Even in the Bible, it is there. We can embrace 10 children. And that is why you see that even if we have 7 children, we love them. And we love them almost equally. So men they are like children. They don't know how to take care of things. Many men are dirty. Many men are dirty. Many men. Some women say, my husband is too dirty. I am telling you, 50, you can call it 70%. If you see a man that is very neat, it's difficult to stay with. He is a bachelor. He is good at being alone. He wants his perfume to remain where he stays. When he comes back from work, he wants to meet it there. And that kind of a man is very irritating. Because everything in the house, you are not allowed to touch it or remove it or put it there or put it there. You cannot handle it as well. So it is even better for you to marry a dirty man than to marry a man that is too neat. Be with a man that is too neat, you go regret it, my sister. A man that is too neat is too strict. So, my ladies, please handle your home with care. Don't always nag and push a man. He will hit you. You pushed him. You pushed him. He was just coming back from work. Even if he is tired, try to as well understand. Be a lovable wife. Be creative. Be calculative. Be useful. When you are always useful, when you are always busy, you will even be the one to tell your husband, are you not going out today? Because you need your space to read your book. You will be the one to tell your husband, go out now. Me, I want my freedom. Don't you know we need freedom? We the women, if you need time. Every woman who wants to grow, if you want to prosper, if you want to succeed, if you want your husband to love you more, that is staying in love and loving you more, you must be calculative. Your brain must be working like machine. We are women. We are doctors. We are teachers. We are mothers. We are trainers. We are speakers. We are lawyers. We are everything. God has made us to be so. So if you want to be successful and stand behind your man, because they said in every successful man, there is a good woman beside him. If you get divorced, and most especially when you have kids already, I am telling you, I got lucky meeting my husband. I am really lucky, I will tell you the truth. I am not saying that any other woman can ever be lucky. But if you have a husband and there is no domestic violence, instead of you to cause that domestic violence to happen in your marriage, then it is better for you to show love to your husband. Today, I was listening to a live video of a very wonderful friend of mine. I love her so dearly. And she said the problem took her 2 weeks to resolve. No, it is wrong. In a home where there is husband and wife, there is no way you should allow problem to last for more than a night. Because longer it stays, more harder it will be for you to resolve it. Because if we stay this night, this one face the war, and this one face the war without us resolving the issue today, tomorrow morning I might go to work, tomorrow morning he might go to work, and then the things start to accumulate. And then we start reading meaning. We might at the meantime forget that those things happened though. But then problem will happen in a week time, which we will now refer back to the last period when it happened, because we left everything unsaid. When we don't talk, when we don't speak, when we don't express our mind, the tears will say it all. Correct your husband in love. Be a peaceful woman. Don't say, my wife and my mother said it. Say, make I not marry you. No, you married him already anyway. There is no need of, applying those words. My friend said it. They say you are a this. They say you are a that. It is not called for. It is not needed. It is bygone, my ladies. Anything of the past should be left in the past. Apart from maybe he repeated the same thing. And he can never repeat the same thing. Most times, men don't repeat the same thing. They do another mistake. Another mistake that looks more or less similar to the other, but it's another mistake. Since it's another mistake, let another mistake be handled in another way.
Yeah.
Not saying you did it, that was how you did it, that is how you did it last time, and my mother said it, and my father said it. Who is your mother for you to be putting your mother in between? Your mother, your brother, your sisters are not supposed to be a word you speak when you are talking to your husband. And I hear that some women are really very lazy. And I have seen some women as well very lazy. I visited a home one time, long time ago. I saw the kitchen. I saw the living room. Gosh, it's not fair. Being busy can only make you grow higher. Because when you are cleaning, when you are picking, some ideas will be entering your head. You know, you cannot sit and watch Nigerian movie 24 hours. Sorry, my ladies. The way you see me so, I am a workaholic with joy. I know how to define stress. I am the only one who made people understand that there are positive stress and negative stress. There is a difference between positive stress and a negative stress. Not everything you got overwhelmed with. It's so stressful. The work in this house is so stressful. My children, they are so stressful. Going to shopping is so stressful. Washing clothes is so stressful. Going to school is so stressful. Going this is so stressful. Cooking pepper soup is so... No. Stop pronouncing those words out of your mouth. Those stress are called positive stress. Negative stress is emotional stress. Negative stress can be when somebody is sick, admitted in the hospital. Those stress going to the hospital up and down is a negative stress. Going to work, making your money, being paid every month is not a stress. It's a positive stress. Because at the end of the month, you will get paid. You see what you are worked hard for. It's a positive stress. You are not working it for nothing. I am trying to differentiate that stress. Many people say, I have so much stress. I have this stress. I have this stress. Learn how to differentiate your stress. We have it positive stress. Having children, taking care of children, they are stress. But it is a positive stress. If you can reason this way, you will not be down. You will not be depressed. You will not have burnout syndrome. You will not have burnout syndrome. Because alone thinking of, stress, your energy is gone. But see, being busy makes you very intelligent. My husband used to say to me, sleep, sleep. I said, no. If I die, I will sleep better. Now I am young. I am still alive. I am strong. Let me get busy. Because getting busy makes me very intelligent, makes me very calculative, makes me really, create things. So being busy, taking care of your children can make you very intelligent. As you are doing it, your brain is supposed to be working. Meet up with friends. Go and take a cup of coffee. Sit down somewhere. Go walk around. When you are walking, reason something. Don't be... When you are going for a walk, you pick up phone. You are talking to Nneka. You are talking to Jessica. You are on phone. I do see many people where they are selling what they are selling, sitting and selling what they are selling. They are on phone 24 hours. There is nothing a call can do you. Calls can never do you good. When you make too much of calls, you cause problem more. Because from calling, that is when they will say, now, maybe I tell that thing. Not be me you tell. I will not call you to explain too much. Because I don't want to judge your matter. I am too busy to stay on phone with somebody for 30 minutes. I don't do that. My phone does not ring. I am telling you the truth. My phone does not ring. If my phone rings, either is a very good friend, which is just one brother choose, I pick, which is not regularly. My very good friend in Belgium, and some other friends I have here, like those few friends, but we don't talk regularly. Sometimes we talk once in 3 months. They know me to be in somebody will be say, I know they like us. I don't know what to tell you on phone. Either my mother-in-law calls, and that is once. If you call me too much, I am bothered. Why should I be on phone? The time I'm supposed to be useful, I am using it to stay on phone gossiping about people who are even better than me. Instead of me to cook clean, you know, when a house is neat, you cook delicious. When your husband come back, spray perfume. Spray perfume everywhere. There are certain kind of perfume you can spray inside the house that is smelling good. You must be creative to be able to say, I want it this way. But spread the bed. This evening, now, me, I don't tell my husband, say, I better go. We go do. Not be saying I'm addicted. I'm just doing it so, you know, make him, not be only man they ask for woman for sex. If a woman asks a man, say, come, let's do. Oh, the man, they go gaga. If they make the man go gaga, girls, I am telling you the truth. Get ready, say, today, baby, you. Today we should do. Because I don't even know, I think my period might be coming very soon. So before my period come, oh, Russian. Your husband will be, how your husband go feel go sleep with another woman when we say you are always disturbing him with it. And you are always giving it to him the way he wants it. And you see, instead of us placing a curse on our husband, why not pray for him? Instead of your house calling him idiot, calling him a fool, calling him stupid, nagging, why not pray for him? Now let me tell you, my women, the best way to pray for your husband. The best moment to pray for your husband is when you are having sexual intercourse. As is inside you, there is a spirit between both of you. There is this agreement between both of you that you want to do it. Hold him very tight. Baby, I beg. Can you give me a glass of water? I beg do. Sorry, guys. It's not easy to talk. You know? Hold him, baby. Thank you, Hold him very tight. Continue to prophesy on him inside. You don't have to speak it out. Hold him. He is inside you. He is doing you. You are holding him. Pray for him. Those things that you don't like about him, pray for him. Oh my God, I pray God will provide for my husband. I pray God will do this for my husband. I pray he will beat the head and not it. You are saying it while he's making love to you. It's the best prayer ever. It's best than the one you go DB Joshua go pray. Because sexual intercourse is something that is a bond. There is a secret. It's only being done when you both are fully naked. And there is nothing you say with nakedness that God does not answer. And we women, God has made us to protect, to like be there for our husband. Pray for him. Thank you, my love. You are the best. I'm sure you are giving me this water now so we can do it better. You will like this thing past yourself. You understand? So when you are always prayerful, sometimes you can also pray it out if it takes you that to do. That is how I pray for my husband. I am always afraid to lose him. I pray for him. May God protect you for me. As he's inside me. May God protect you. I will be touching his head. May God bless you. May God give you your heart desire. He will not know sometimes. He doesn't know that I'm putting my hand on his head. He thinks I am just romancing him, but I'm praying for him. If my husband have some certain kind of pain somewhere, I will even literally put my finger inside and use it to rub him. It's my body. It is healed. I will put my finger inside my body. It's hot. I will use it to pray for him. I will use it to rub him. I say, my husband, get better. Because that is the best medicine you can ever apply for your husband. If you are such a caring wife, I don't see your husband leaving you. If you are such a caring wife, but I know there are some men that comes literally for a purpose into some women's life. That is not what I'm talking about. If it is in Europe, some men came, they already have their woman somewhere. They only came to use you. They lied to you. They took advantage. It's different thing entirely. I'm talking about a serious relationship. There are some men, they came to take advantage and take documents from you. Those ones are just waiting for their visa to come out. Once the visa is out, choose, they are gone. There's nothing you can do to please those ones. But you saw my husband just now. He was gentle. He was calm. He really went to work. There are many men that are good. Just small error. Maybe they don't reason good. Men don't have sense. They're not to get sense like that. That is why we are here. That is why we are here to support them, to control them, to be there for them. But not if my husband goes out now, what I do, I call him once in a while. I say, are you okay? He said, yes, okay. What time do you think you are coming back? He said, I don't know yet. Okay, just be careful. Be watchful. If you are drinking, please carry your drink wherever you are going. And always cover it. Okay? It is your duty for you to... Oh. Now, wow, guys.
The internet is so bad.
Internet is so bad. You know? So, somebody said, Henry said, now, this is getting weird and twisted. Please, can you clarify me? You are still allowed to call. Okay? Just call me and let me know how weird and twisted it is becoming. Okay? Women, you know your responsibility. Your responsibility alone is not to take care of your children, but as well to take care of your husband. Same thing goes to the men must take care of their husband. Today is women topic, a nagging wife. Yeah. Yesterday was the men. I told the men how to pamper their wives, how to buy them presents, how to treat them right. You know, there is a message I was listening to. These women, this man and the woman, they were already more than 60-something years married. And they were doing their anniversary. And they were invited somewhere. 60-something years, let's say almost 70 years married. It's not easy, guys, yeah? And then they were asking this woman, what did you do to still remain together? He said, I was always thinking about how to please my husband. And then they asked the man as well, how have you been managing this relationship for so long that you guys are still, you know, loving each other so well? And then the man also said the same thing. I was always busy trying how to please my husband. Woman, I mistake now, right now. So please, I'm sorry about that. You understand? So continue to, you know, some women just give all their attention to the children and forget about the man and said, I'm doing, leave the children. The children, they will always survive anyway. The children will grow, get married and go somewhere. My husband matters a lot to me. My husband, we are staying together. I take care of my children. I have time for them. I have time for my children, you know. So you have to create time. We have 24 hours, guys. You must have calendar. You know, schedule how you want it. You don't want, I cannot be with Michelle in her bedroom now at the time of 10 o'clock. No, it's not right. She needs her time. I have my time. Yeah, network was bad. So, I think people are reporting your video. Really? You think so? I don't think so. It's network. It's network. Why would they report my video? There's nothing I'm doing wrong. Yeah. Okay. This scam lord of Chicago will soon copy this concept to scam the public. What? How? What is that? What is that supposed to mean?
I don't know. Scam which public as in what?
What does he say? What is the meaning?
Somebody will speak. Somebody will take that is the concept. That is the
concept.
Yeah, to scam people. Is that possible? I don't think it's possible.
What can they do with that? I don't know. I'm not a scammer. Say Mumu husband day. Yeah, Mumu husband day too. I know. Then it's your duty to make him more intelligent. Okay? It's your duty. Okay, we have seen that. Let me read your comment, guys. Say, thank you so much for this. You are welcome. My wonderful sister, Ogunde. Thank you so much. God bless you. Please, my ladies, apply what I've just said. One of the reasons I love this woman is because she's too sincere. Yes. You know, I have to be sincere to you guys. I have to be sincere to you guys. Say the criminal will copy this the same person again. Okay, it doesn't make sense. All right. So I must be sincere to you guys. The way it works for me, I am not a child. I was married to a white man. I know what I passed through there. I know what I passed through. Not all that glitters is gold. He is in my past. I loved him while he was alive, and that is all I can say. Now that he's not there, we have responsibility, and the responsibility are my kids, the one he left behind. So many people might say, I am taking so extremely care of Michelle and Damien because the father is no longer there. Yes, the father is no longer there. For Dacia and Munachi, the father is here. Those ones, I have to, give them excess love. I also do give Michelle, Munachi, the other ones excess love. There is none of my child that I love more than one and the other one. No. They are all special. I give all of them, but these ones are already bigger. They are already bigger. They need more attention. They are teenager period. If you don't put your eyes on these children now, that means you want Michelle to be having boyfriend at the age of 14. Because if you're not giving her attention, she will start getting attention from other people. You understand? If you don't give Michelle attention, she will start getting attention from other people or from a boyfriend or from a girlfriend. If you don't give Damien attention, he might start smoking. He might start doing things bad. So you must it depends on their age. Everything have its season. Everything have its time. Munachi need breast, I give her breast. He wants to play outside, I take her outside. But the other ones need extra care. Michelle and Damien need now extra care because they call it puberty. Teenager period is very, very sensitive. So if you are calculative and intelligent, you must put all your eyes in their basket and watch them very closely. So that is how to take care of children at this time of our generation. You understand? So my ladies, be a good wife, be a woman that man will miss. Don't always quarrel. Don't always read books. I have spoken with a lot of women and I see that there's nothing in there. Read books.
And the book of Proverbs chapter 18 verse 22 says that whosoever that found a wife found a good thing and obtains favor from God. So you are supposed to be a blessing to your husband. You are supposed to be a gift to your husband. So please try your best to be a good woman, not a nagging woman. Because if you are happy with your husband, both of you are happy, definitely you're going to enjoy your marriage. So please, my ladies, be wise. Stop
be wise, nagging. Exactly. Stop nagging. Every word shouldn't be said out of anger. You can say it in a very quiet moment. And let me tell you another secret. When you are always very quiet and patient and tolerant, men fear. Men fear. If I don't keep my husband quiet now, I say go there, waka like this thing, go waka go there. What I do again now? I say I'm not talking. There's nothing to say. Yeah, there's some. What then I must still tell him in love. Then in bed, most times I do correct my husband. Most times only in bed. And my voice go calm. Why nah? Why they do like this nah? What I do now? Do I mean it wrong? It doesn't matter the time. Do I mean it wrong? This. See where they do things. You they spoil things. This phone now, you don't spoil her. The other one, we don't do it like this. Why? It's not good. You work hard, I work hard, but we cannot be wasting. You use your head. Men like it when you see the do like this. But not all the time you shake your body for your husband. If you give us slap, we don't finish. You don't understand? So there are also some men that beat naturally. There are women bitter. Okay, I don't know about that, but I'm talking about the reasonable men that you see, okay, they are really okay. Manage it where it is. All right, be a good wife. Let all of us jolly. So that as I talk about my husband, as I just come out this camera now, you know what time it is now. Oh, baby. They sit you. The thing can sit you. As you see her now, as you see my husband, if you see her for bed, now giant TB, giant. Giant. As you see her, so wait, make he remove his clothes, now giant. All right, now giant TB. He can't live without me because he knows how I wind my waist. He say I'm not old at all. Yes, I'm not old for that side. And they rush on because at the age of 60, I don't know whether I feel raise my leg again. At the age of 60, maybe romanticism go don't they chop my not be knee, they call her. Maybe romanticism go hold my knee. I not go feel bend, I not go feel there are some carats when they do. At the age of 60, you can't move anymore. So nah. Give your husband that thing. Forget. They read meter. They read meter. Okay, guys. I so much love this family. I just started watching earlier today. Thank you so much. I truly appreciate everyone. Allow others to join us. Let them join in. Let them follow this page. There's so much to benefit. Love is a beautiful thing. Don't get it twisted. Until we see you guys tomorrow, I remain Melia.
Melia.
Thank you.
Bye.
Bye.